Tile Institute. Today we will learn how to write fast. So, how to write faster? One of the most popular excuses for not writing is not having the time. Solution? Write short. Write 300 words on a familiar topic. That's how to write faster. Follow these guidelines and improve your writing skill. Get to the point. If you say to yourself, alright, get it together, you're going to write 300 words and call it a day, then that's a very specific goal to have in your mind. You have to find a way to begin a story, develop a story, and end your story in less than 2 minutes. Art is the elimination of the unnecessary. Pablo Picasso. Pablo said it right. True art is eliminating all that doesn't need to be there. Limitations can seem like a jail cell to true creatives, but I believe in the case of writing they can actually help us do our best work. It makes you feel like you progressed. Writing shouldn't be like that Pirates of the Caribbean movie where Jack Sparrow's trying to get to the island that nobody can find with no map. You should know where you are going. You should make tangible progress every single day. Most of all, you should write every single day. You'll never know if an idea is good unless you see how it performs. Don't make your goal to write for an hour, make your goal to write every day. That's the goal. Do whatever it takes to make that a reality. After you have written 10 essays post after 10 straight days, you'll see a remarkable increase in your writing ability, and not to mention you'll understand the topic more deeply. It's easy to write an extra 100 words. I will bet you something. When you're deep into writing a post, writing 100 more words after your initial 300 isn't that hard. Telling yourself that you'll write 300 words and be finished is a good way to get started. It doesn't feel like that hard of a task to finish. So, you get started incredibly easy. After the 30-minute time limit is up, or however long you choose to write, you'll probably find you wrote 50, 100 more words than you expected. That's because you just got started. You gave yourself a manageable goal and got lost in the art of writing. That's how to write faster. Good for you. That's what it's all about. The last major benefit of writing shorter posts is it makes you a faster writer. Writing fast is like running fast. To run faster, you gotta do sprints. To write faster, you gotta do sprints too. This is the equivalent of a writing sprint. Don't focus on perfection, it's not about perfection. It's about art. So start writing daily 300 words on a particular topic, and do share with me also.